Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with power and access because a dead system records nothing. First, confirm the NVR/DVR and each camera receive correct voltage. Look at adapters, fuses, and PoE ports. Then, physically trace cables for visible damage and test connectors for corrosion. Next, log into the recorder or web interface to see live view and any error messages. Write down storage and schedule settings. Once done, you'll know if the problem is power, cabling, or system configuration, so you can move to diagnostics. Now focus on storage and recording logic, because settings often stop recording even when cameras are fine. You should inspect the HDD or SD card. Confirm it's detected, healthy, not full, and properly formatted. Then review recording mode, continuous, scheduled, or motion, and verify the schedule spans the desired times. Adjust motion sensitivity and zones if applicable. Overly low sensitivity or bad zones prevent saves. Finally, trigger a manual recording from the UI to see if the system writes video. Finish with advanced fixes to restore reliable recording. Start by updating firmware for cameras and recorder, then reboot devices in order, switch, camera, recorder, so settings apply cleanly. Reseat connectors and swap Ethernet ports or test with a known good camera to identify faulty hardware. If the recorder won't write, replace the HDD or SD card after exporting critical clips and logs. If things persist, reset to factory defaults only after a full backup. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms continue, collect logs and a short screen recording to show a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.